See grooming sessions filled with fur everywhere around your house and a disgruntled cat? Let me introduce you to the wall-mounted cat self-cleaner and massage comb, designed to turn grooming from chaos into calm. Imagine your furry friend rubbing their face against the ergonomic wall brush as they receive a gentle massage and a thorough groom, enjoying every moment while you sit back and relax. With its easy-to-use adhesive strips, this pet grooming tool effortlessly brings joy to your kitty. And when the session is over, you can effortlessly keep the brush clean with just a simple swipe. The durable design allows for repeated use, making grooming a breeze and keeping your pet pampered without any hassle.